In this video, we'll show you how to replace the spark plugs on your Ford Edge. These are located in the engine and can be accessed through the top. Let's get started. To remove the engine cover, you can simply pop it up. It's good to do the front first and then the back. We can just set that off to the side. Using a 7mm or a flathead screwdriver, we can go ahead and loosen up the hose clamp at the beginning of the intake. Get that loose, start to wiggle it off. Moving inward on the intake, we can loosen up the second hose clamp. We can remove this stud using a 13mm. There's a small rubber hose connected to the intake. And just pull that off. Now we can take our intake tube, pop it off the inner portion. Pop the other end off of the box. And now we can kind of just fold this forward and out of the way. We can go ahead and pop the little clip holding the wiring harness off. Using an 8mm, we can go ahead and remove the bolt holding in the coil pack. On the front side of the coil pack, we have the electrical connector. There's a small red tab. We're going to push that towards the front of the vehicle. Then you can press down on the black portion of the tab in front of that. Pop the connector out. You always want to check your connectors for any damage or corrosion. Now you can go ahead and pull up on the coil pack. And there we have it. Now I'm using a 5/8 spark plug socket, an extension, and my ratchet to loosen up the spark plug. Now we can start to get the spark plug in. You want to be very careful as you lower it down, as you don't want to bend the electrode. Now I'm going to turn counterclockwise until I feel the thread set down, and then we can start threading it in. And we can torque the spark plug to 9 foot-pounds. I'm going to put a small amount of dielectric grease on the coil pack down at the bottom where it'll slide onto the spark plug, and as well up at the top where it'll slide onto the valve cover. We can get our coil pack started in. Press down to seat it on the spark plug. We get the bolt lined up, and we'll start that in. And I like to push down on the coil pack while I snug this down. Go ahead and plug in the electrical connector. Make sure it locks down and press in the red tab. Make sure you reconnect the plastic connector for the wiring harness. Go ahead and get our intake piece back under the vacuum line. Get it onto the intake box. Get the vacuum line on. We'll get the studs started in. We'll snug that down and tighten down each of the hose clamps. Line up the grommets and press down on the engine cover. Start the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.